What is going on, my medieval army? Crown Gang here. And we are back at it. Freaking how the frick do I... Watch. Put your gun away. How do I holster weapon? Let's see here. Holster weapon. There we go. Okay, so we're heading over here. I missed the first one, but I tagged the second one.
Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
Okay, so...
Alright. This guy should be close now. She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it. Hey! We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with
You're
it.
so fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
Get away!
Yeah, what do you want?
Thank you.
Stop!
Get your butt whooped. You get like extra, you get XP for taking down the criminal, and extra, like your reputation goes up for criminal neutralized, and it goes way up when the victim is unharmed. And now I got a new skill point, the authority skill point. Boost gun damage to vehicles. Okay, so okay. Oh, so that's good. Increase cash earned from online and fixed contracts. Says CTOS image of the fixer attacking you. Okay, so all those are supposed to help you. Okay, so getting in this. Okay, I can't wait for my controller to... Oh! Okay, so can't drive straight.
Nikki, hey, I know the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
Miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick.
Fine
I need
with
to take
you.
this home. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars.
You'd rather register yourself as a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy told me any ride I want. And you, if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Shoot.
Yeah, life. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
There is no one in this car. Where did they go? Okay, going over here to where the mission thing is. You see that little cross thing, that yellow thing right there, the mini map, that yellow thing right there? Yeah. That's the mission. the frick out of my way. I'm in a muscle car. They're strong and durable, but they're... Ugh! Get the frick up. You can honestly tell I'm a freaking maniac. Here's Nikki's house. Here's not Nikki's house. Wait, Nikki's house is here. Dude, I don't know why it's right here. Shoot. Oh, you're an illegal immigrant, young man. And you're freaking drunk. Okay, so here you go. I don't know how big this cutscene is gonna be, but
Am I ready? Jack's last birthday. Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
get back in my awesome car. I ain't gonna hit you, saggy titty. Gotta go back here, heading to the back.
Okay,
Some nice graphics.
here goes.
How old are you today? 10. No, I think you're 9. 10. 9, 10. 9, 10. Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and...
Late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really. Come here.
That's a
Let's have
nice
look
hat.
at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
Oh, tick them off.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
How's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. I figured out. Wow. You are big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You brought my real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a second.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Okay, now that that cutscene is over,
Last time
head
I was
inside
back
Nikki's
here,
home. Let's see her right here.
It's
I never
Lena's
really
birthday.
explored back here. There might be something.
Jackson adored her. We all did.
Let's see here. I don't think that's a unique tire swing. Oh, I can move it. You know that right here, sandbox. I wish I had a sandbox growing up. So Seems might be something back here. Oh shoot. Can I knock that over? Oh, I did knock it over. I can knock that over, not the plants.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing Vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Okay.
Yeah, I think my controller has settled
They
down
were
for now.
all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
You see how his mouth is moving there.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was going to have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling.
Ah, go ahead, Rainbow. Let's go see what's in here. Okay,
Oh, really?
it's a fake building.
No, don't let me interrupt you. Listen, the police can trace this call. Oh, nice. You don't scare me.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid prank that happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Jesus, Aiden, just leave it, it's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the
Look,
locks.
I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
He's like, you're checking the locks.
Okay, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
I want that tablet key. Give it here.
There you go.
I wish I had a tablet,
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
iPad, whatever.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call. There you are.
Okay, I'm
He's on the
on.
move.
Oh shoot! Get back here, you crank!
Been afraid of this.
Oh no!
Threats to my family again.
Go frick out the way! Gotta catch this guy because he messed with my sister. Am I even gaining on him? I'm gaining on him. Not anymore. Why is there so many vans? This is I'm not connected. Oh man, I'm gonna lose this guy. Like itching that swipe. Fine, stay on this side. The frick out the way.
I'm sorry. I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Aiden? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well,
Should
You're doing
have
it
raised
right
the
now.
bridge.
I can't believe you.
it's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Like what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah.
Oh heck no, you come here, boy.
Still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Oh!
Come back here. Frick out my way. Left some blood. Come on, catch him, Aiden. Come back here.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And a kid. This feels wrong. That's the point.
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay?
Well, he's not getting his pay. This is an awesome pistol. I'm gonna use this.
Here we come.
Okay, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay. If I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source back on it.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
That's it. Try to attack that center. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
Give me this.
Bloom hires private contractors to guard their CTOS centers. These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
Woo! She's fine. Like, my mission is to come here.
If CTOS doubles their guards, I better double my weapons.
I only use the pistol anyway.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, sexy.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Give me the 416.
Over the past few weeks, CTOS centers throughout Chicago have increased security due to several attacks from activist hacker group
I like this
DedSec.
pistol.
When asked about security changes, Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner was decisive.
Chicago's safety is paramount, so we've hired private security for every CTOS control center. These highly skilled peacekeepers have trained in the most dangerous regions of the world.
In fact, Ms. Gardner, these peacekeepers you refer to are military mercenaries, many with criminal records. Isn't that true?
Indeed, they've served time in the military, but we should hardly reject our brave soldiers for proudly serving their country, should we?
CTOS network is well protected, and that gives Chicago citizens the comfort they deserve. That was Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner discussing CTOS security.
Okay, I'll keep it at this. Oh man, look. I like popping the gas. Oh. Okay, I guess I'll go over to the main mission now. Dang, get up the frickin' way. I'm gonna be in it like this. It's an old man. Can I go up that? I'm about to find out. Okay, so here we go. I'm on a motorcycle. Here we go. Oh, right here. Oh shoot, no. Right there. No. Really?
This new security is no joke. I need access. Gotta find out who's targeting my family. I want that voice behind the phone call.
Right here, you stealth. Staying controls, definitely.
Go get him. Can't take us all out.
Oh dang! Bust up the big guns. I tried to run. Man, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'll hit you up with part 3. So, here you go. See you next time. Subscribe to Crown Gaming. If you like this video, like it. Tell your friends about it. And Crown Gaming will see you later. Peace.